And just like that, it begins. So, welcome to the world of thrashing code. Today, I'm going to be looking at a long run hack and just closed it all right before I was about to show you this shindig glitch. So this site has kind of a long history that's pretty interesting among a number of people. I think even if we scroll down about glitch, does it even mention it here? It usually doesn't. No. So basically though, let's do this. Glitch founders. This gives you the history right here. Smack. Joe Spolsky. Yeah. So, I don't know if you know Joe, but I feel like talking about where glitch came from is kind of important for the developers out there. And that is, after all, who we're talking about. If you don't know who Joe Spolsky is, he has roots even as far back as Microsoft, which is why you see Google saying he's related to all these people like Satya Nadella, Steve Ballmer, Bill Gates. Steve Yeager, he's a really smart guy. If you don't know him, you should check him out too. He's written some amazing stuff on the internet, written a lot of cool code. Good person to know about. Jeff Atwood is angry coder or whatever. He blogs, gets himself in trouble all the time because he's a privileged white dude. And then, of course, Joe Spolsky is in New York City, was on the Microsoft Excel team, wrote some stuff about how it's pretty crazy, and also wrote a book called Smart and Gets Things Done, which is a pretty good book. Highly advise checking that out. Smart and Gets Things Done. This one. This little book right here. So it's pretty good. You could probably get it for practically free or check it out at a library is what I would advise. Or just go buy yourself a copy. I mean, if you have been being a developer for a while, you should be able to pick up a copy for next to nothing. Okay, so enough about that prehistory. Anyway, Joe Spolsky also ran a company called Fog Creek Software, is responsible for things like Trello. So Fog Creek Software, Trello. So if you don't know what these things are, just a quick backdrop. This is Trello software, right? They do this thing. It's like a what do you call it? Swim lanes, all that kind of jazz, right? Then Fog Creek Software, I believe, as it says in that next Medium article right there, Fog Creek is now called Glitch. Fog Creek Software used to build, and I guess it still does for some customers, build software to track various things about software projects. And you'll notice Anil Dash, the person mentioned right here, he is currently the, I believe, CEO of, where is it? Where's this thing go? Anyway, he's an awesome person. Totally awesome person. Lives in New York City, where Glitch is located. And web together, Glitch. Yeah. Anyway, he's like the CEO, but it's a pretty cool company. I know I've had conversations with Anil Dash before because we've actually talked about transit, but this was like different millennium or something. He's a real interesting guy too. Sometimes starts shit, but he can finish it because he knows his stuff. Very, very smart guy, and he's leading up the glitch efforts. And then another person that you may or may not know, Jen Schiffer. Is that how that works? Oh my God, I actually typed her Twitter handle. She is the health goth glitch witch. So she heads up a bunch of stuff at Glitch. Also another awesome person. I'm sure she would find a million snarky, amazingly, beautifully snarky things to say about that comment. But yeah, definitely worth following. Go follow her. And this is not her. If you don't know, that's a cat, and then that is another individual. who I'm not even going to mention. You can find out who she is if you do an image search. So I'll leave that exercise up to the audience. So anyway, that's a little bit of preface about who's involved at Glitch, and I think you need to know that to understand some of the things about Glitch, because when we go to Glitch, you'll see it has a very, very 8-bit artwork acumen, kind of a very 80s childlike design acumen almost. And I'm pretty sure that has a lot to do with a kind of New York thing that's rooted in the communities that Anil and also I apologize if I'm saying anybody's names wrong. I don't always talk so good. Sincere apologies. But, okay, so Anil and Jen are part of communities there in New York City, also namely Brooklyn, that kind of go with this whole 8-bit acumen. Another company that's come out of there recently is Dev.2. And it's a little harder to notice because it's kind of data heavy now in a cool way. But you'll notice like the little icons and stuff. It's been and I have the dark theme going on here. But it's very, how do I put it? It's very 8-bit also, right? You can mostly see it in a lot of their designs around the icons there. And also go follow me. I'm on there as, who am I on there? I'm Adrian. Imagine that, Adrian. I blog. I put some stuff there that's unique. Some stuff's just cross-posting because, that's how it works. But anyway, it cuts my thing off. But you can see the 8-bit, like 80s era design going on here too. And it's out of New York. But again, that's not Glitch. We're gonna bounce back over here, get rid of these things. If you want to do further research, you'll find all types of intricate connections, which are really interesting. At least I find them interesting, related to how Glitch is connected to everything from Microsoft in some way to all sorts of great communities within New York City and around all over the place. And they're very JavaScript focused. Okay, so that's a long-winded intro bit for all of that. Nothing pertinent to what we're going to do with the technology. Well, let's see here. You can see, just start typing code together. Start your next project. These things sound cool. I'm a lone individual coder that's going to dive in this today. I also note that it's so white that it makes my head disappear. My head is up here though. It's up here. Oh, my arm is disappearing. Weird. I'm just ghosting. Yeah, but anyway, let's get started with this. Let's figure out how to use this thing. Let's watch this video first though.
Glitch is a friendly community where coders, artists, learners, and creators build the web together using the easiest tools ever.
You hear that 80s
I'm Jen
music?
Schiffer, the Director of Community Engineering here at Glitch.
There's Jen, being famous.
So you built an app in response to Hurricane Maria in Puerto Rico.
So I built a very simple app on Glitch that would send messages out to their families outside of Puerto Rico to let them know that they were okay.
Jane, you're a teacher and you're teaching JavaScript.
So I really liked the interface and I love that it was really easy.
What we love about Glitch is that you can use it to build big things for your big life. Things for work.
Get that, big things.
Activism. Teaching. Or even a passion project.
Need a lot of that
these days.
People like you
have made millions of apps. And if you can't find what you're looking for, you can easily make it. When you find something you love, add it to a collection. A collection is a space where you can curate apps that either you've made or someone else in the community made, so you can go back to it later or even share it. The collaborative Glitch editor lets your whole team edit together at the same time. Make a mistake, you can click rewind, go into the past, and you're good to go.
What? I could hide my mistakes.
Are you stuck? Do you need help? Raise your hand. The Glitch community loves to help. And that's Glitch. We can't wait to see what you make. See you on glitch.com.
So that's what we're going to use. And we're going to connect it to some data. Techno music. Does it start replaying? What is this?
Glitch is a friendly community where coders, artists,
app on Glitch.
Oh, that's, yeah, it just repeats. Okay. I wonder how they made this video thing. I wonder where the video is. Can you speed 1x, sound, closed captioning? Well, whatever. So let's sign in. I do have an account. It's attached to my GitHub account like this. Boop. Boom. Look at there. I exist. Yeah, and I haven't really done anything in my account here. So I'm just going to try to figure this out. Write stories with friends, build a storytelling app. Nope, don't want to do that stuff. Let me look at this, though. I want to see. I'm part of the DataStax devs. We do have some stuff out there. AppStax demonstration that Christina and Luca Tillman built. Oh, you can see who they are if you hover over their name. That's kind of nice. Remixes. I don't really understand what a remix is yet. It's because I'm probably not cool enough with my 80s to understand what that means. I'm going to get some music going again here. All right. What happened to it? Why is it? Oh, there it goes. Just randomly. I don't want to hear that one. And then, let's see here. What else can I do here? Shows nothing. See, I made a background image that actually says Union Station. It's a Union Station in Seattle that serves no trains. The Sound Transit is there, but no trains. Let's see here. Productivity. Let's go to productivity. Strike checkout, data dashboard. Let's actually look at a data dashboard. Parse to do. Pass Azure Dropbox. Salesforce Quick Start, Live Chat, Graph Connect. I kind of wonder what that is. Webhooks and Trello. Text and Me, Nice Calculator, Milling Code, Shop Labels, Embedded Chat, Screen Reader Practice, Fluffy, Shanks, Away Board, Glow Boards, Collection of Glowing Beards, I Can't Stop, Seems to Stop Growing. Okay, I want to look at that just because that sounds freaky. Evernote Random, Countdown Clock, Airtable, Google Sheets. Oh, interesting. Well, if you can get it from, probably get it to, right? Analytics, YouTube Analytics, Trello Power Up, Customer Importer, Slideshow. Okay, I'm kind of interested in that. So let's look at those. That looks pretty good. So let's make a new project. Oh, whoa, what? Clone from a Git repo. So I guess it's your very own basic web page ready for you to customize. Node app. I want this one. Let's go with this. I just want to look at this. So this is a dashboard from a Google spreadsheet. Engineering. See, here's Jin's 8-bit art, so you can see the influences, right? Yep. Money.blog. So then I hate art processing. Yep, okay. Oh. Well, I'll look at that later. Maybe we can figure it out. What is this? Oh. Yeah, okay, I get it. It's Reveal.js. It's the slides in JavaScript. Hey, Peter. How are you today? Hacking through Glitch today. Gonna build a demo. It's gonna be awesome. So let's see, I got package JSON, server JSON. And can I just, I can do this. Dreams. I dream to understand this. Oh, it's right there. So I guess, let's hear console, listener report, listen for requests, basic routing. So that's the page. Page is in here, I guess. Yep. Submit dream button. Hello, testing. Oh, what did I do? Glitch. What does that say? Oh, glitch autosaves. It caught my... I hit Mac key S because I'm always trying to save stuff. Because, you know, use computers for a hot minute. You learn to start doing that after a while, right? Find and count some sheep. Climb a really tall mountain. Wash the dishes. Oh, it lost my thing. So I guess it doesn't really maintain state there, right? That's fine though. I don't need to maintain state. At least not in this one. What is this? Whoa. Start. Blah, 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 blah. Where's that put in? Oh, the glitch button. Button glitch thing. Remix on glitch. Embed this app. Oh, I see what that does. I'm going to take that out. Let's take that out. Matter of fact, let's do... a dream of the future. Let's call this, we'll call this Better Bots. Better Bots Insight. Or what's a good word? It's a good word besides insight, like a view into something. Actually, let's do this. We'll do thesaurus. We'll call it insights, or we'll put in insight. Oops, got a thing happen. Excuse me while it happens. What's this? No interruptions? Okay, good. No interruptions. Insight, acumen, intuition, judgment, observation. Let's maybe call it wisdom. Sageness. Sagacity? Sapience? Sagacity. What does that mean exactly? Astuteness. Judgment, sapience. Perspicacity. Yeah, let's do that too. Let's this one up. All right, it's Learn Words Day. Erudition. Let's go to dictionary. Oh wait, I can do that up here, right? Oh, nice. Okay, just do that. Quality of being sagacious. That's bullshit for a definition. You're not supposed to use the freaking word. Oh yeah, nobody uses that. Sagacity. This formal adjective sagacious describes someone who's wise and insightful, like an advisor to the president or a Supreme Court justice. Oh, great. How timely to use that as an example. Bunch of jackasses. Someone like an inspirational leader or expert in a field who seeks knowledge and has foresight can be described as sagacious. I'm pretty good, Peter. I'm pretty good. My country's dying. But you know, whatever, I guess. Code-wise, I'm doing good. Been working on a lot of projects, really great projects. Database related. Using Apache Cassandra at core, but also a lot of DataStax Apollo, which is our upcoming database as a service offering that is currently in beta, and you can go use it for free. Free. So, you know, this thing. Apollo.datastax.com. Oh, get out of here. So, pretty nice. And we'll be talking about this a little later, because I'm going to actually connect to that for data in this glitch app. But I'm all sidetracked like I get. Maybe sageness. We'll just call it sageness. Perspicacity.
Perspicacity.
Really?
Perspicacity.
Perspicacity. I don't feel like it's even saying it right, though. Perspicacity. Perspicacity. I feel like I need to say that word 100 times.
Sapient.
Sapient. No, we're just going to go with sage. Better bots. Sagacity. Or, what did I just call it? Shoot. Sage. Oh, yeah. Sageness. Or no, we will go with it. Sagacity. How do you... Let's check on the pronunciation. Make sure that we say it right. Sagacity. Sagacious.
Sagacity.
Sagacity. I did say it right. Wow. It's kind of miraculous. Yeah. See, I'm gonna link this. How do you... I want to go to the dictionary from Oxford. Let's go to Oxford. Yeah, there we go. Just posting that on the internets. All right, so we got BetterBot Sagacity. Not worried about people's hopes and dreams. At least not right now. Let's do this. We're just going to leave ourselves a main section made with glitch, powered by data stacks. How do you... I've just spaced. How do you do... Oh, I know what it is. It's a.href, blah, blah. I just forgot how to make a freaking link for a second there. href is... There we go. So that's in there now forever. And then header is... Why does the header need to be done like that? Well, let's do this and then get it in the page. Here we go. Now the other question is, how do I get my... I'm curious how I get my secrets in here to get this to work. News to Sagacity. Also, hello, Codebase Alpha. What is news to Sagacity? News. Oh, yeah. Hell yeah. I'm going with that word. I didn't know. I just thought this word existed. News. There we go. News. Right? That would be what it is. Kind of like news. It's gotta be derived from French. Pretty sure. Do we still have P's? Welcome to the Better Bots News site to help you determine what you need for your better bots workforce. All right. Whose doggy is that? Gareth 3 Hype. Do I follow Gareth? I don't know. Can you put his link in? I'm curious about that emoji. All right, so we got that. Then let's, what does this do? New project, remix project, switch project. This project private. Ooh, change theme. Oh, so much better. Is that okay, y'all? Is darkness okay? Whoa, it definitely. Fresh app on changes, wrap text. Oh yeah, let's wrap text. Okay, there we go. Keyboard shortcuts. Whoa, keyboard shortcuts. Okay. Windows Shift R. Well, that must be a very Windowsy, Mac-y community using this stuff. Oh, look at this MB JSON. Okay, what do we got in here so far? We got Express. We got Node 10x. Let's get this. A simple application showing how glitch and data stacks follow work together. Updating this file down. Oh yeah. So did I just do some crazy stuff? Well, whatever. All right, so we got that, and then we want to get some data. So let's do something. App.get. Oh dear lordy, how do you write a spacing? See, I want like a JavaScript function. We have objects now though. I wonder if they, maybe I shouldn't get super dedicated about using any particular version of stuff. Maybe I should just do like function get data, right? It's okay for what one? I didn't. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, good. Yes, yes. I'm glad it's good for you, Peter. It's good for me too. It's my background, like my face isn't shining as much. Like, I mean, look at this. This is crazy. If I do this, I glow more. I hate glowing more. I need to change where the light position is. So let's just do return. This is my, my data. We'll make it even bigger. From my database. Just to get this example working. Your app is listening on this port. Do this. So let's hear. So now how do I get it into response.send file? Let's hear with Express.js. Then, yeah, sure. Hello world. App get send. Hello world. All right, so, and then I want to use, well, the Express generator generates, yeah, it does routes and views. And I have no routes and views in this thing. I don't even see where I would need to really get that complicated. I just kind of want to get it in there. But what do we got here? So maybe we do, So how is this actually running this app? So I have this HTML page, and Node.js is just literally spitting out a static web page, right? So I wonder if there's any glitch. Like, how do we do? Well, we have our example here, so let's do this. Let's actually build an Express.js app, right? We'll use this shindig. We'll just go through and do this real quick, and let's get a GitHub site running, right? So we can put this somewhere. All right, here's our GitHub site, and then just make a new one. There we go. So we'll call this glitchy fluffy barnacle. Okay. A sample glitch website built with Express.js. I don't know if they call it that anymore. And Node.js. With Node.js using Express. Oops, and data stacks. Right. So let's initialize this since I don't have a thing yet. Go with Node. Go with Apache license, just for now at least. Okay, there we go. So let's clone that. Okay. What do we got here? All right, here, git clone that, and then we'll navigate into the fluffy barnacle. All right. I'm partially trying to live tweet this. Let's see here. Just built a glitchy, fluffy barnacle. I'm gonna copy that in there. It'll also be like the notes. Let's see here. All right, we got that. And then we just need to get our Express app built. Hello world example. So let's do this first though. We're gonna go ahead and create npm init to get our whole thing. Yeah, that's a good for patch name, version's fine. A glitch application built on Node.js using Express connecting to data stacks Apollo. And what happened to my D? Oh, come on. Connecting to data stacks Apollo. Yeah, that's fine. I'll fix it in the code. And this is going to be server.js because that's what you call it made it. I'm going to make this empty for now. That looks good. Keywords, let's say glitch, Node.js, example, data stacks, Apollo. Can you do 2-word things like that? I don't know. JavaScript, database, remix. That looks fine. Me, Apache 2.0, because can't remember the name of the other ones. That looks fine. Yes, clear. And then npm install should be empty. Boom. Let's do this. We're gonna get Express in there. Whoops. Touch server.js. Get into code. Whoops. All the things. No, I don't really want that. I just want this. Yeah. Well, what happened? Come on. Can I just... Okay, clear, exit. Let's get the terminal in here. Yeah. So then we got to install it. Oh, did that make? Let's add. Eventually, I'll get it into WebStorm, probably. Whoops. Idea. And then DS stored. Keep the Mac files out of it. And this should be. Well, how does it say run it? Runs npm something? Or something else. Oh, just run it. Okay, so let's do that. Let's just run it. We need to do npm install express save. Right? Now, okay, that's in there now. Cool. So then we can do npm install node server. There we go. Okay, so if we go back to our browser, boom. What are we on? 8080 probably? No, what are we on? Oh, we're on 3000. The other common port. There we go. All right, so that works. So let's do a status git add. Whoops. Git add first commit. Git push. All right, there we go. Boom. All right. First commit for our glitch app that I'm currently live streaming the coding of on live streaming the live tweeting of live coding the coding of on that. That's your repo. Oh, I should just do the tweets right here on stream. I don't know why I'm doing that over there. You can't see what I'm doing. See, I'm doing this. And then let's put a thing. Barnacle. Yeah, once there was an ugly barnacle. This is going to be the most random shit ever. It's going to be awesome. There we go, yeah. What is this? Oh, Lexico powered by Oxford. That's the word. Oh, it just took over the whole thing. Well, let's do this word. We're going to do this, but we're I got to give a shout out, right? Let's do this. Almost went with sagacity for the product title. Sagacity definition. But code. Wait a second, how do you spell your Twitter? Code alpha. No, damn it, come on. Where is my... What's your Twitter handle? Codebase Alpha? Is it Codebase Alpha? Yeah, there it is. Suggested a vastly superior naming option with the word moose. There you go. Shout out. Props. Thanks for that. Oh, I wonder what we get if we do this. Probably nothing. Oh, Vikings. That's so weird. I'm not posting that one. What else should we what should we post? Actually, you know what? Here, I'm going to give you applause. There you go. It's for you, Codebase Alpha. How's that look? Yep, there we go. All right, so back to business. We got that in there. Now what we need to do, we need to, let's see here, get the express generating, not need, get if you use it. Okay, so let's do the express generator. Can I do this, or do I need to install it globally first? Well, let's see here. NPX express generator. NPX. Whoa! Blurp. Continue. Say yes, but let's copy all this real quick. And license is fine. README. Yeah, sure, that's fine. We're gonna go with that. Install dependencies. Yeah, so what did it do to this? Anything? Oh, it added all this stuff. Okay, Morgan. We now have cookie parser, debug, express, HTTP errors, Jade, which is our template engine, and Morgan. Okay, that sounds fine. So, but debug here. Woo! Oh, I'd need to do this probably. npm install. So I'm not really sure how. Now let's try it. There we go. So that's on port 3000. Let's check that. All right, we'll just go over here. Do localhost 3000 again. Whoops, 313. Okay, there we go. Express.js. That's good stuff. And let's go back over here and let's do this. We're gonna grab all of this and then HTML to Jade. Yeah, that's what I want. Let's get all that into Jade and we can put that in our code base then, because we have views here, see? Index Jade, extends layout is gonna be this thing. HTML, head, body. Let's do this, put it down here. So here we're doing doc type HTML, HTML lang English, head has a title right here, and then link. Oh, we have a fave icon. That's cool. Maybe we want to build a fave icon though. Glitch, link, style sheet, We definitely want to add that. So let's put that under title, or should we put it down here? Oh no, we need to do it here, right? Oh no, wait, they put it in style.js. Wait, where is that? So routes, public. Oh, it's in style sheet style. Okay, yeah, that's where it's going to be instead. Client-side JavaScript file. Yep, that's sure, whatever. Then this is good. All right, that is a better update. So then this, we're gonna have to tweak the body stuff. So we want to keep the footer in there. Forget how to do sections and stuff, but that's good for now. Let's keep that way. All right, let's break that out. Clear, get status, get add, first commit of generated express code from the express generator. All right, so we push that up there. All right. Yeah, Codebase Alpha, that's kind of what this whole stream is about, because I don't know if you caught the beginning either. I actually went through like the whole shtick, which you probably would be familiar with a lot more parts of Glitch's history than you might realize, because a lot of people involved have been around building a lot of awesome software for a long time, like Trello, Fog Creek software, that might ring a bell, Excel, that Microsoft product. So it's an interesting company. Got a lot of interesting people working for it. A lot of good people, good interesting people. Let's see here. All right, so we got that going on. That's in the layout now. So now index and blah 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 will have stuff. So like if I go here, oh, to be interesting. So title, it should be in users. Here's title. See, here's title. is fed in via the routes. So the routes are kind of like controllers if we were doing an MVC pattern, model view controller pattern. So we don't really have models per se yet. But let's theoretically add a folder, models, which of course ends up at the wrong level. And damn it, come on, maybe drag down here. There we go. Yeah, okay. So now we have models. Node modules doesn't even need to show up. Dub is the thing. This file is used to basically launch the application and do a bunch of stuff that Express creates. It's a generated file, not going to mess with it because it's bad really to kind of mess with generated code unless it's the specific code you want to edit, like we were doing with the routes and the views. So on that note, it's your Visual Studio. I think it's time to start getting serious. Open up WebStorm. And I say that with no implication that people using Visual Studio Code aren't serious. If anybody heard that wrong, I just like to use WebStorm. It has certain powerful features that kind of go above and beyond what are available in Visual Studio Code. But I like the speed and quickness of Visual Studio Code to get started. And we are now officially started. There's one other thing that I want to do. I'm going to close that. So I know you can get this from this product, share buttons, copy, code, live app, code, no, this. Tools, custom domains, get, import, and export. That's what I want. Get, import, and export. Import from GitHub. Yeah, so I'm curious what will happen to the code that's in there. So let's do this. And then we're going to go get the repo path of what we just made. So I think that would be this, right? Or would it be, they want the HTTP? Oh, let's do this. Grant access. Let's see, I'm adding a stream marker. Oh, whoops. Add a stream marker with comments. Adding GitHub repo to glitch. I'm going to try to use Twitch's stream markers to go back through and find snippets that are important, like when we are actually doing a specific thing. So this, I don't know what that says. So what just happened? Did I get it? Get, import, and export. Export, remote GitHub export. Import from GitHub. Oh. So I guess I could put that in there now. Maybe. Or no, they just want user. Oh, they just want this. It's a good thing I'm RTFMing, right? So just make sure everybody knows. Okay, that's going to come in handy later. So that is now... What? Oh, crap. Oh. Let's view the security alerts. Constantinople. And clean CSS. What is this? Yeah, create security update. And then let's go to... What does this say? Oh. Oh, it's just not the latest thing. So go back here. And then this one. Create automated security update. Wait, so how to... Okay, so that puts in pull requests, right? No, okay, now I don't freaking know how to use GitHub. Come on, whoa. Whoa. No. Oh, I just clicked on actions. Okay, I thought I clicked on projects. I was like, oh, it looks totally different. One thing I want to do is I want to get rid of the wikis for now. We don't need that. We don't need, well, I'm going to keep projects just in case we do project organization here. This, though, I am going to do a page that's going to be based on the README, and we'll go with something. What's nice? Which theme should I use? I think I should use Slate or Minimal. What's y'all's vote? You got a vote, Codebase Alpha? Peter, you got a vote? I think I'll just go with this one. It's pretty nice. This one's kind of neat too, though. It's clean, right? But really, I don't have any use for these bits. That's too much. I guess everything has a tarball. I can just take that out, whatever. Oh, that's a cool image. I like that. I like dividing paths. That's always cool. All right, so we're gonna do this. And then let's see, where did my sorry, WebStorm just opened on another window somewhere. It's being crazy. And oh, there we go. Anyway, so that's set up. I don't want to do a custom domain. I just want it to use the README. Is it default set up to that? Yeah, cool. Okay. So that's set up, and got rid of wikis. So I should be able to take off actions. I don't want people to see actions. I guess maybe I just see actions. Okay. Let's come back here. Still don't understand where it put the security alerts. So go here. Then create. Advisories, policy, start setup, code, issues, no, pull requests, no. Do you know what this does? What does, right. Right, put in a PR for it, damn it. Okay, maybe I just need to go do this. I thought it would put in a PR for you. It's fast, it's slow, it's inaccurate, vulnerable code is not actually used. No. We'll go in here. Let's do this. Package.json. Wait, how does it find Constantinople? And it, whatever. I'm not messing with that crap right now. It'll probably iron itself out as we work on this stuff. So let's keep going. So what does this other stuff do? Generator. We did this. I guess I must have done that previously. Oh no, this is just something else. NPX. What is I don't know what the NPX command is. What the? No security issues with this at all. Whatever. Example, following creates express app name my app. Okay, that's cool. Then anything else I can do with it? Debug, set start. Okay. So this at least gives me some ability to like get data and get it put into a thing. So let's take a look at that. That's fine. I'm just gonna leave that there. Got no update for the Twitter world at the moment. Then go back over here. Is everything in here? Hey, look at that. So now the question is, how does this update? Export to GitHub, import from GitHub. So if I do this, oh, I just did an update in the, no, I didn't do an update. So if I do an update, just to confirm, let's get this sorted. So the README, let's do a README alert. README page update. Experimenting with import, export from glitch, and locally with Git. So that's going to be a change that I'm making here, a GitHub specific change. We'll commit that. So that's there on GitHub. So let's go over to, actually, let's go over to do, oh, go ahead and pull it into WebStorm. Here's my WebStorm. If the fonts are crazy or too big, too small or anything, let me know and I'll try to fix that real quick. All right, so here's our README, not updated because I haven't pulled the change down. So let's, did I type that right? I don't think I typed that. Oh, I did type it right. So, git pull. Oh, I got a config YAML update too. Oh yes, because of the GitHubs. And there's our text that we added on GitHub. Now over in Glitch though, I would assume that it's not there. And so if I do this, then this, can I like close that? I don't know. So let's do tools, git and import from GitHub. And connected. Whoa. Okay, so there's our updated text. It's this, and this. So let's see here. If I go in and layout, and let's do README to be safe. Wait, how do I? Oh, Markdown. Yeah, I want to see the file. Testing phase 2. All right, so that's. Remember, if I hit Alt-S, it says that because Glitch auto saves. So then let's go to import and export that to there. Updated with Glitch. That looks perfect. A little car and an AOK symbol. On this stream, that is an AOK symbol. I don't want to hear nothing else about it. It's a bunch of crazy shit. Don't flip out about it. Then where is, there we go. Okay, so let's go over here. Uh-oh. Testing phase 2. So that's saved. Oh, did it do it smart? Oh, check it out. Okay, it's in a glitch branch. Oh, look at that. Updated with glitch. Updated with glitch. What the hell is this? Woo! I don't know. I don't know. What is this file? This is freaking everything for glitch, I guess. That's cool. Seems like this is going to blow up in a second. Let's do a pull request. Hey, and if y'all want to, I like Slate. Yeah, if y'all want to, I will happily add you to the repo, and y'all can be like the first code committers on this. So let me know, and I'll get you added. Updating from Glitchland. Of course, all God mode like, I'm just gonna merge that sucker. I know, right? Maybe not every one of them, but a lot of them. So let's knock that out. And actually, you know, I'm not even gonna really use WebStorm too much right now. I'm gonna actually go back and use Glitch. We're gonna keep this super straightforward and super in Glitch. So let's get back over there. And I'm just going to close that. Okay, keeping that up for now. Keeping that there for the moment. We're going to get rid of this. well, we'll get going before I start writing everything I want to do. So right now, I just want to prove out and get some data on the index page. So right now, I want to see this show. How do I look at the app? I forget how to look at the app. Share live app. Let's look at that. Inquisitive Spark .glitch.me. Oh, slick. All right, so, but we don't want this. So let's get rid of that. This. Welcome to title, layout. Oh, actually, let's make this. Actually, let's do this. Let's take this to block content. Yeah, we want to take that. Error is fine, so we'll go to layout. I'm just gonna put this down here so I remember the names. So H1 here should be H1 equals title. And then, oh, they made a thing for the text. That's genius. Last time I used this, that didn't really exist, and it was a super pain in the ass to get spacing and stuff just right with it. So this is going to go to, welcome to the BetterBots site. There we go. So now, welcome to the BetterBot site. And we're going to go into our routes, and change this to not Express, but BetterBots News. There we go. And then, yeah, you're going to see me hit that little green sign is going to pop up a million times, or over there, right? A million times, because I'm always saving. Respond with a resource. So we don't need, I think we can, oh, how do I delete a file? Oh, there we go. Wait, no, delete. Let's delete this sucker. It's going to, there we go. Is that going to flake out? Is that going to cause a problem? Which thing? I don't know which thing actually shared the stuff. Let's also change this. Let's change this to a good standard web font. What is a good standard web font? Arial is the de facto standard for most widely used sans serif font. Let's do that. Because, I don't know, Lucido Grande. We don't want to do Lucido Grande. Wait, what is this? Is that the fallback font? Because there's Arial. Let's just take this out. Because Helvetica's cool too. So is sans serif. See, Helvetica. Sans serif. But then also, let's hear. Let's do this HTML. Well, getting off track. I don't want to get too far off track. So let's do this. Let's refresh. Oh, look at that. Updated. All right, so our page is looking pretty good. Let's add that as a note. Layout. Footer made with glitch, powered by DataStax, Apollo. Lots of HTML turned into Jade with HTML to Jade. HTML to Jade. And then we're gonna mark up that sucker like so. Boom. And there I go saving stuff again. Oh, can I do Markdown? Oh, we're in Jade. So that's not the right thing. I need to do, is it A href equals thing. And then, oh yeah, and then I can do HTML, oops, HTML to Jade. Oh wait, I want the URL. There we go. Okay, let's see. Oh, I don't want to do that either. I want to put the title in. Right? Oh, but that's specific to the. Yeah, I want to put the title in, whatever the title is. So hopefully that will, oh, I probably need to do an equal for Jade. Okay, title stayed the same. This is, I guess that's the favicon ICO. Let's go to, here's a thing to follow, by the way, twitter.com/betterbots. There we go. Oh man, my background thing is not crisp. So let's see here. Setting up a connection to better bots for all the awesome. Got better bots. Okay. Lots of HTML. All built by. Oh, can I even do? Actually, with this, I probably need to do this because of the Jade template. Let's break that down, put that here. There we go. And then back into the line like this. And built by all the robots at Better Bots. Let's do this. And href equals comment Better Bots. And then we'll put that in. I think that'll work. Let's go check out our page here. Yeah, and I'm gonna, it's here, edit. No, wait, how do I edit? How do I do Twitters? Nope. Oh, I have to go do that. Share via live app, copy. There we go. Okay. Seth looks sad. Don't be sad, Seth. It's all good. All right, there we go. Live tweeting as we go. That's there. That's there. All right. So a little bit more stuff in here. And I want to go to routes now. What happens if I don't want to view and I just want to do something like this? You know? Oh, that's a put. I don't want to put either. I just want to get still. So let's change that to get. And then I don't want user either. We'll say we'll call it data for now. We'll just say data. I don't know how it's coming back. So the data from the database. We'll go there. Okay, we're gonna have to add JavaScript stuff here. Say like var the data equals the data from the database. Actually, we'll pretend for the moment. We'll get to the data bit in just a second. Should I do this and oops, this? And will that hang off of that address? Well, like 5 things just popped. Should put a mic on my. Uh-oh, what's up there? What happened to our app? Did we break it? We might have broke it. Let's take this out because tools error. So that's how we get an error in glitch. Ah, look at that. Cannot find. Oh yeah, who's jumped to this? Oh yeah, I gotta take this out. This is referenced here. Oh, but now we got a routes. What do we call it? Data? Yeah, data. This is just root. Well, this doesn't even need to be here anymore. This is our old stuff, so let's delete that. Go back into app. Then what's it say? Hey, that's a moderately useful message, I guess. And then that's too high, damn it. Just want to lean against my table. Set locals only providing error. What else we got going on here? Oh, there's the static coded dev. Oh, it's not another. I didn't put it in another route. The route is the file, I guess. Whoa, what? This? Oh yeah, we don't need that. That doesn't need to be there. And then whoa, shizzle. Oh yeah, I don't even know where to get started with that. What? I did it. Oh, we didn't do complete thing there. Oh, and then I need to add the string. Better bots. Come on, that should fix it. Come on, save and update. Save and update. Let's jump to. Okay, so that's gone. Catch 404, yeah, whatever. Set locals. Yeah, I get that. Thanks for the docs. That's. I don't know. I'm aware. Well, I guess this is a helper app, so I guess I'll leave that stuff there. Debugger. Oh, clear. There we go. Okay, it's back. So then I should be able to go over here and do data. Yes! Okay, so that we have our route set up. So now we can play with that. So at this point, let's go to index.js. It's our router. Well, let's go look at the data stacks Node.js driver. Okay, we need to do this. So let's copy that. Oh, how do you in glitch, how do you add new file, add this file, updated file? Oh, console. Yeah? Oh, snap, look at that. That is beautiful. If you're following someone else's instructions, make sure you trust them. If in doubt, post a question in our forum. For now, the console and the editor don't automatically sync. You can manually run the refresh. Cool. I'm gonna check this out in a minute. We should check it out. So you're checking out glitch support. Okay. Forum, how to get the glitch project fixed faster, to help uplinking a domain. Need some help, please. Okay, that's nice. Let's go look at the forum interest. Dedicated to learning glitch. What does this mean? 199 what? Oh, I don't, that bar. Okay. Develop a playground, let you focus on creating the app or bot of your dreams. Not to be confused with better bots. Information about glitch, question and answers. Okay. Okay, that's all good. Nathan has clearly answered a lot of stuff. Good job, Nathan. So can I click on Nathan and see who Nathan is? Does Nathan have... Nathan looks really familiar. Crazy. Top links. Most replied to. So he's got a lot of badges here. Does he have trust level expert? You know, I feel like all support should just be done through Twitter, and then Twitter would be overwhelmed by support, and it wouldn't be a political trash fest anymore. So that's one of my political comments for the day. Yep. All right, so anyway, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Let's sign up. Let's become a person on glitch.com support. Boom. So I'm going to officially be there, right? Glitch profile name or URL. I'm just Adrian, right? What? Oh, greetings. Greetings, Disco Bot. That looks like one of our glitch bots. I mean, one of our better bots. If you do, there may be a present in the future. To learn more, select blah, 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 below, bookmark this. Okay. I'm going to be civilized. Add or remove. What's this? Oh, I guess I can add stuff to my profile. Okay, that's great. That's great. So we're going to do this. Copy that. And then go back to, here. Then paste. What the? No, don't say copied from clipboard. Just do whatever. I'll do it. Install Cassandra driver. Okay. Install Cassandra driver. Oh, whoops. I wonder if it'll let me do save. I didn't get that in there. NPM. Come on. 7 seconds. 3 seconds. Extract dep D. Okay. Okay. Warning. What not? What is it doing? Node. Bin. Okay, whatever. Okay, I'm going to save that, and then I'm going to do an audit fix, because that looks crazy. I don't know why it's got all those errors. Okay, npm audit fix. What? Oh, the clean CSS issue. Jade, Constantinople. Patched in 2.4.24. Regular expression denial of service in Uglify.js. All right, that stuff is most likely, I'll bet. Let's do an experiment again. So that's my database. But then I want to get over to GitHub again. We're going to call it me, and then what did I call it? Anyway, we'll figure it out in a second when I just want to get a current repos, and then glitchy fluffy barnacle. Current security alerts is at 2 security alerts. Let's see what happens when we do a PR. A bunch of updates. Tools, import, export to GitHub. Glitchy fluffy barnacle. Updated with glitch. Adding content and API endpoint for data, plus checking security vulnerabilities. I don't know if GitHub often complains about like commit length. I wonder if that'll say cannot find. What? When I'm not on Node, no. Oh, what? It took out. Is my old package JSON in here? With the no, it's all freaking crap too. All right, so right now we're on 2. Okay, so let's go and look at that branch, glitch branch. Bunch of updates and stuff. We're gonna do a come on, branch glitch clone. No, new pull request. Yep, got a bunch of changes. So let's hear. We got rid of that stuff because didn't need it. Got rid of users routers. Got rid of that. Users. Added the Cassandra driver. Changed the fonts because nope. Then change this to BetterBot News. So everything looks good. These are our changes. Assign it to myself. Create pull request. Thank you. Let's merge. Confirm merge. And then, yeah, let's go ahead and delete the branch. We'll go over to security. What? What about all those? Refresh it 100 times. What about all those things? Actions, no. Security, nothing. Oh yeah, I don't know what's going on with all this stuff, but okay, fine. Going back here. And continuing. All right, what time is it? It is 11:50 a.m. for me. Probably should go grab a sandwich, which will only take me a few minutes. So if you're hanging out, please stay put. I'm gonna grab a sandwich. I'm gonna put this on a little break. Shouldn't take me but like 5 minutes at the most, and I will be back, and we will get to writing some JavaScript, because that's the next real move here. So we're gonna start writing some JavaScript around the Cassandra driver to pull in some data from our Apollo database. So we'll create an Apollo database, then we'll use the driver to get some data out of that sucker, and figure all that out. So we're gonna get the Apache Cassandra driver working, pulling some data out of a DataStax Apollo Apache Cassandra database as a service database, and I'm gonna show you how to do all of that. So I will be back in just about 10 minutes. So stay put, leave me in the background, whatever. Now I'll leave you some music playing in the meantime. So should not be long. Should just be 5 minutes, unless there's a crazy line, maybe 10 minutes. But It'll be soon. See everybody in just a few minutes. Cheerio. mostly back. All right, so I knew that'd be pretty quick. Just didn't know how quick or not quick. The beauty of working just upstairs from a coffee shop is that I now have a delicious cappuccino from Anchored Ship Coffee. Delicious. Seriously, if you live in Seattle, it's one of the good shops. Definitely. The team that works the shop too, they're quite rad. I appreciate all of them very, very much. And they have random weird stuff too, like this whatever the fuck that is. Moroccan chickpea wrap. It's got chickpeas, crumbled feta, shredded carrots, kale, and Moroccan sun-dried tomato dressing in a flour tortilla. So I don't know if this is going to be good or not, but I can guarantee one thing. Oh yeah, garbanzo beans, sea salt, non-GMO canola oil, organic sugar, distilled white vinegar. Holy crap, a bunch of stuff. But yeah, it's all natural stuff that's grown non-GMO-y and all that happy hippie stuff. So basically, yep. Yeah, it's going to be pretty damn nutritious. And it's not going to put me to sleep, so that'd be good. You know, if I ate like barbecue, which is delicious, don't get me wrong. I love me some barbecue, but I'd be out in a second. If you're allergic to wheat, milk, or soybeans, don't eat this. I don't know what's milk. I don't know. I don't know the milk part. That's confusing to me. So, burrito time, or pseudo burrito time. It's like hipster burrito time. The paper doesn't tear. What the hell? Burrito. Don't make me make a big mess of it. Stands there, sort of. Probably gonna fall over on my damn mouse. What do you think? Maybe? Yeah, it fell over just as I pulled the camera away from it. So now it's made up. Story of my life. Oh, nothing fell out of it. Cool. Okay. There we go. I need a mute button now. You're gonna hear me chew. But it's Twitch. We're all friends here. Yeah, let's get you back to a good view. You don't need to just be staring at my giant head. What is the thing behind my... It seems like a little... Oh, that's part of the editor. Oh, that's this thing. Okay, that's behind me. Got it. Figured it out. I understand now. Do this a little bit more there. There we go. Okay. Now, where were we? So there's our data page. There's that. That works. We were doing this. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Yeah. That's glitch support. We got connected to glitch support. This is our repo. Excuse me. So let's just go with that. Let's work from our repo. So we want to do... Let's do this. Let's copy this. Can I do those commands in here? I wonder. So let's see, list. Let's make a data directory just to, oh wait, how do we do that? New file. How do I add a folder? Okay, so let's do this. Let's do data. And what was the connect database.js? I'm just gonna use the same thing. Connect database.js. Oh, look there. Okay, so that's how you can create a folder. That's interesting. All right, so then let's copy this. Include the absolute path. Yep, we got that. Okay. And then, yeah, this security bit. Let's see. I want to know what happens here. So if we go in here, just to make sure, and we say data, we get that. But if we say, yeah, so we're not getting the directory. So so how can I add secrets in here? So glitch, add secrets. Yes, that's what I want. How do you add? You can add should store secrets. Credentials are private data stored securely inside a blah 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 in a secure environment. Config section of your projects useful storing API keys and app credentials. So let's watch that. We'll mute. Here, you chill for a second. So glitch, how do we use the env file?
In this video, we'll show you how to use the .env file within your glitch project. Let's get started. The .env file is denoted here in your sidebar with a little key. And when you click on this, you'll notice that the file is empty. Now, the .env file in your project is a secure environment section where you can store API keys and any other credentials for your app. Only invited collaborators can see your .env file, so any anonymous viewers or logged in users who haven't been invited to your project can't see them. Also, when you remix the app, the .env file is cleared so those values are not copied over.
Okay.
You can also populate the values in a project's .env file on Remix. Check the description for a link to our FAQ which shows you just how to do that.
Okay, so what happens though? Now what about assets? Okay, well let's get to the reason why we need this. Okay, so we're going to create an Apollo database, right? There we go. So I'm going to go into Apollo. And here I'm going to auth with my GitHub. And actually, I don't want to auth with that one. I want to auth with my DataStax account. Because you know me, I got bunches of accounts. All right, so here's the database I have. This is the one that I want to use. So if I go into this database, and I go download the secure connect bundle, there we go. I've got that. And this is what I'm going to use to make the connection. Let's hear temp secure connect. Okay, I'm putting it on my desktop for the moment in a folder like this. Oh, come on, there it is. Okay. And then I'm also going to rename it. Rename it just to secure connect.zip. Okay, now that's there, and I need it to be out there in the universe, out in the glitch universe. So that is the problem that I now have, is how do I keep that secure so it doesn't end up in my GitHub repo? So let's see here. Glitch add secret file. Okay, so we just looked at that. How do I set an environment variable? Is it safe to use .data folder to store sensitive database files? And Oh, okay. If I run refresh, yeah, this is hidden. Okay, so I think I can do .data, but I'm probably going to need to put it in the get ignore file. So let's do that. I think we'll be, yeah, so here's the end file that they're talking about. Here's this. So I'm going to add the data directory, like so, which I don't even have yet. So there's a data directory, a .data directory. Let's do this. Let's see here. Where did I put it? Desktop, image tweaking, temp secure connect. There's the zip. Oh, what the? So what does that do? That does. Let's cat glitch assets. Oh. That puts it on a CDN? That's not cool. That's not where I want it. Well, let's do this then. Let's add a file. Do .data testing.js. Okay, and then I'm going to take this assets thing. I'm going to delete it because that should not be there. Yeah, so then cat. Okay, I guess I deleted it, so it's not going to be there. But then, okay, so it's not showing that. Whoa. Come back here. So I need to do add a file .data /testing.js. And then can I drag the zip file in there? I don't know how do I upload a file? Let's try to upload a file to there. I already did that. So I want to delete that. So then here, how do I upload? No, don't rename. Okay. Do I have to like put it up there some other way? Upload file, add license file, add code of conduct file. I already have a license file. New. Okay, that's nice. Nothing new, right? No, okay. That's there, we got that. So we're gonna need path to secure bundle, blah, blah, blah. How did you store secrets, credentials, or private data? The M file. Okay, we did that. So what else they got? What else you got? How do you store secrets, credentials, or private data? Same thing. All right, set them in the env folder. Okay, let's look at cat, ignore global, and see what that gives us. See what's universally ignored. Oh yeah, node modules is one. Build, release, coverage, libconf, and then all this stuff. So in .data is in there. In the universal file thing. Okay, so let's try this again. Let's try to do. How do you, I just want to upload a freaking, so if I upload, let's, I don't know, crap. Hidden files not in this list. Something file directory will be hidden from the file list by virtue of them being hidden files, but will be committed to the Git repo. Okay, files are not displayed in list. Does this make things more clear? This is great. Thanks for. So we need to upload. So I guess I upload that file to assets, then file. Oh, whoops. Glitch, upload file. Folder, how do I upload an image file in file? Right, when I upload per DND, reconnect creates eventually, but it's empty. Size limit of 200 KB. You could use wget and import via the console or include as a package. Oh, shoot. 200 KB limitation? Ah! So we're going to do this in a secure way. Got some crazy ice cream yesterday. And yes, I'm diverting from the topic. Got some crazy ice cream yesterday. And the fam are now trying it. So what do you call it? Portland ice cream. Oh, come on. What is it? Salt and straw. Yeah, that's it. So we got a salt and straw up in Seattle. We were privileged with Portland gracing us with another one of their awesome freaking food things. But yeah, like almond brittle, salted ganache, gooey brown, sea salt. Oh, bugger off. Double fold vanilla, Kova coffee. Oh, Kova coffee is freaking metal. Freckled wood block. Yeah, so that's super badass. Oh, matter of fact, yeah, I can get the music going here again. So, and speaking of that, let's see here, Kova coffee t-shirts. All right, come on, you gotta, oh, come on. Damn it. That's Black Rifle Coffee Company did that. Oh yeah, here's some of their metal ones. I love Portland coffee companies. They're like all just super, super metal. Just fucking badass. Super badass. Oh yeah, like that. What's up with that? That's amazing. That's like the best design. Oh, and what's this? What's this? Oh yeah, I got this one, but I just got into like pure white. This is like a ship, and the Kraken is taking out the ship. That's super badass. And then spelled backwards is Ifok, and I don't give a fuck about anything until I've had mine. Yeah. So that's hilarious. Oh yeah, these, oh, epic. Epic. Super badass. So, well, it just had a ding sound. That was weird. Anyway. Yeah, nice stuff. So that's similar to like desserts, or stressed, spelled backwards, stressed, spelled backwards, dessert sign. Yeah, so basically this shindig, it's a good play on that, right? Stress spelled backwards is desserts. It's a dessert shop here in Ballard that always has that. They always have it flipped around there for us. But again, anyway, back to the stuff at hand. How do I upload the file? Get an image file in the browser, no matter how you do so. Anyways, the image will end up in the asset store, right? S3 bucket for you. If you need to have the file locally for some reason, you can use the project's console. Click on the logs button to wget it, which will deposit it in your file system along with other files. You'll need to also run refresh. Okay. So I'll need to expose the file to wget it, right? Or can I wget upload a file? Yeah, I can just do that, but where? Yeah, so this is a big problem in this particular situation. So let's get back to that, and let's do wget. Oh yeah, so my drive here, and then dismiss it. View database. Download secret connect thing. Copy link address. Let's see if I can just do this. Wget this thing. 400 bad requests. That's interesting. So let's see here. If I do it locally though, clear. I know the zip file isn't big. The zip file is real piddly. Like if I go to the desktop and then, oh, there it is. Whew. It is, how big is it? So, little piddly thing. Yeah, 16 kilobytes. So there's not a size problem. But there is just the question of like, how the hell do we get it up there? Toodle pip. Code base alpha said toodle pip when I went to get lunch. That's a great line. I like that. Tempted to do bad security things. So like security wise, I don't know, can't think of a good secure way to get that up there right now. We have to have a file. So what did we do here? We eat some burrito. The team is trading. Yeah, chicken. So let's hear 'em. Oh. Let's call it ephemeral online storage. Oh, I know what we can do. So check this out. Here's a trick. So let's do this. I'm gonna call this delete this. There we go. Yep. And then so open up a terminal. And this is a big no-no also, but it's better than anything I can immediately think of. Hey, Bucksbox, how you doing? Legendary developer, I like that. Thank you. Thank you much. So I'm gonna go to my desktop, and then I'm gonna go into that temp secure connect list. There's that file. So I'm gonna clone this thing, and then let's see here. I'm gonna see how fast I can do this. Okay, so hopefully only seconds. So get status, right? No, oh whoops. List cd, delete this. Get status. Get add. Get commit. The secrets, and then get push. Okay, I'm not gonna do that just yet. So I'm gonna grab the link and I'm gonna paste it in over here. So get whatever it is. All right, so let's do this. Boom. Secure connect this thing back over here, pop that in, and then is it there? Secure to connect is there, so then I'm gonna go in here, and this puppy is going goodbye. So that is one way that you can basically do this with some level of security, as long as you, Bucksbots, did not go and delete that thing, or I mean steal that thing. I do use Node.js, I use Node.js, I use Python, I use Go. I do a lot of it here on stream. Was working on a CLI yesterday, and some querying stuff that I was doing with Python. The CLI is written in Go, and then of course I use JavaScript with Node.js when I'm doing Node.js stuff. And right now, learning Node.js to get rich ASAP. Good luck with that. Lots of luck, because you'll need it. The web realm is not always the most money, but it is a fun language to learn. And right now I'm using Glitch, which is this website that kind of makes it easy just to put some stuff together and get it up online. And I was trying to get this secure file, which now I don't even see where it went. Is it in here? Oh, it's in here with all the other directories that you don't see. So let's move that file I just uploaded. Move secure connect to .data/secure connect.zip. Like that. Okay. So that theoretically, see if I refresh it, will it do it? What? Well, let's see if it's there, I guess. So, no, wait. What happened to my console? I don't want a full page thing. I just want a console, like a basic console. Hey, Bucksbox. Thanks for the follow, and welcome to the Mosh Pit. I also listen to a lot of metal, and will eventually, one of these days, I keep saying this, I will eventually do some of the production of and creation of that music here on stream, probably on the weekends. Can you stay happy without getting billionaire? Absolutely. I don't even need to be remotely billionaire to be super happy. I'm pretty content with the money I do make. And I'm even more contented when I have a little bit more than the money that I do make. I will admit, however, it is not median income. So if I made median income or less, I would be a really hostile, really angry person. So programming enables me to not be in that bracket, because it's difficult. It's difficult not being in that bracket. I mean, in being in that bracket or below that bracket. Even being moderately above that bracket is difficult. I don't know what a lot of people do. I'm kind of clueless to that whole point. I've been removed from it for quite some time, and I'm happy with that. I'm happy with what I have achieved as a software developer. It is so often the answer to everything. You're correct. A lot of people will lie and say money is not everything. Being a billionaire is not everything. But money is a lot. Having money, having assets, having some type of power in the world is pivotal often to being happy, unless one wants to just be delusional. They could do drugs. You can do drugs and be happy, but I wouldn't advise that either. So let's see here. I took that and I put it into the data directory, which is here, and it is there, and so is my testing file, which I don't need the testing file. So let's continue onward and see why do I have a full page console for that? Logs. Head. Okay, whatever. Oh, there it is. How did that happen? Okay, I see how I do it without a full page thing. So you can do clear debugger. Whoa, goes full page debugger. Okay. I get you, glitch. So that's that. Or you can do console, which is what we're in. Oops, come back here. There we go. And that lets us see everything in the directory, right? Including the hidden files, which are not copied, like bash history, config, .data, .get, .ignore, all that stuff. Well, .get I guess is, but everything else is not copied in there. And let's make sure this is not going to get pushed to. Let's take this down. And then why is debug pink now? I don't need it to be pink. Anyway, container status okay, custom domains, get import and export, and let's export this. Get ourselves a new PR. Updated with glitch. Added secrets. Verifying secrets are not visible. So I guess really, I am not Mosh Hamadani. Who is Mosh Hamadani? Mosh Hamadani. Oh, is this person famous? Code with Mosh. Person's name. Yep, I am not that. Coding made simple. Hey Mosh. Hey, he's wearing a leather jacket. He's got a t-shirt. Maybe he's a metalhead too. I don't know. Nifty. You know, I think I do know Mosh. I don't know if I've met him before though. Ah, nice. Got a whole bunch of stuff there. Java, Svelte. Where's the Node.js? What? No Node.js? Oh man. Well, okay, that's cool. He's cool. I'm a fan, but no, I'm not Mosh. Seems like a good person with all that material. Like he does a lot of good work. I haven't seen it, but just the consistency of it looks really nice. Like I'd put some trust in the fella. I wouldn't put trust in anybody over having YouTube subscribers. He probably knows what he's doing. I don't know how the hell do you get 1 million YouTube subscribers doing programming? It blows my mind. Yeah, I guess you do a React course and you set up to teach boot camps or something, probably. So on that note, where are we at here? Where are we at? Again, thanks for the follow. Glad you're here. I do not usually do stupid finger gun things, but I'm a dork sometimes, so it happens. We are getting glitch figured out. Okay, env don't really need any environment variables at the moment. I may put the secret words in there. But even then, I don't know if I trust that to have the secret words. Because we're going to put in that secret file, which sets up an encryption tunnel and all sorts of fun encryption-y stuff. There are a lot of programming students on this planet, Buxbox. And I wish them all well. I feel like the industry is going to have a big crash and a lot of people are going to quit, but I do wish everybody well. I hope they find awesome careers in this great field. How do I earn huge money working for a company as a developer? Well, that's the thing. Don't count your chickens too much. I already know them web development jobs. The money is going down. It's too many people are applying. Too many people are flooding the market. But anyway, I digress. It's fine for now. You'll make decent money. All right, so we did all that. We got the secret file in there. So now we're going to need to store the username and password for sure. But let's go over here to routes and just make sure that, like, what's a, I don't remember. Let's hear Node.js check file exists. Sure, this looks great. This looks like code that would work. And we're going to go into, let's see, if we're in index, we'll be in routes. So we'll need to go down one directory. And then do .data slash, what did we call it? Let me debug. Of course you need to debug because you ain't gonna find that file yet. It doesn't exist. So list, see, data, and then I called it secure connect. So secure connect dot zip. So there's our secure connect zip file, right? Let's put that into our router. Can I do the require there? I guess I could. Let's see, path. And then try this. And the console is not, it's gonna be, what's here? The data equals error, or the data equals found the file. Okay, and let's put this up here for now. Do we just not do semicolons anymore? Is that how this works, I guess? I guess glitch doesn't require semicolons. I don't know, read so much of this stuff, I feel like it should be there. Not that I'm really hurrying over it. Stop debugger, debugger. Ah! No, I just want to see, where's my page? Nope, nope, okay. The page, new file, nope, share, live, page. All right, yeah. You're right, Bucksbox. It is definitely getting oversaturated in some ways. The first thing I would say, if you want to earn good money and you want to maintain employability in the industry, if you get into the industry learning JavaScript, Node.js, start learning something else. JavaScript is going to become like writing, right? Like writing a language, English, right? Like writing whatever one's native language is pretty important. Hell, writing English is pretty important worldwide as far as a business language. Hey, there's the website that I wanted to see. That's good. But like what I was saying though is there's a lot of other programming languages out there that are going to get super money, be bank, right? One of them, check out Python. I say that not being the biggest fan, but there's a lot of capabilities in Python, a lot of libraries, and a lot of it is connected to things like machine learning, various AI libraries and capabilities. It's pretty straightforward to use, but getting good at it, get to knowing how it uses a lot of those libraries, a lot of those things is very, very valuable. Other languages, like if you wanted to get into systems programming, learn Go, learn Kubernetes, things like that. A lot of opportunities there. That would probably earn you more bank than web dev jobs. Because web dev is going to be the go-to job for the foreseeable future for the bulk of people moving into the industry. And if you can get in there where the jobs are usually more particular, more strict, and there's less people in it, that would do you well. Because a lot of those other jobs still not going to go away. There's still going to be a pretty significant demand, even if the market crashes. And those positions, they're not going to fill up. Because like somebody just doing JavaScript and web dev is not just going to whimsically be able to go over and do one of these other jobs. They're going to have to go through a whole new training cycle if they're not familiar with that tech. And also get into niche stuff like, say, distributed systems, distributed databases, site reliability engineering, things like that. That'll do you good. But yeah, so okay, we got this. And then if I do data, the data from the database. Whoa, so what's up? Something is wrong. Oh, no. Go back to debugger, yeah. Let's do this. And then let's go back over here. So that's the site. Here's our debugger. Okay, well, we'll be super secret about it. There's the debugger. Okay, and let's see here. We got... Well, that ran, it just didn't run this code. Well, and let's put this where it... Oops. Does it need to be a constant? I guess it can be a constant. Let's put that at the top, just for neatness' sake. Are we at the bottom? FS is not defined. FS is defined. Okay, so oh. Maybe still got that stuff. Audit, fix, npm audit. Oh yeah, same stuff. I don't know why it doesn't say that anyway. From the database. So it does do that and try. The data isn't erroring. No, show the error. So what happens if I just do node server app? I think it just swallows that. So it disconnected that. Let's see here. The data equals fs dot exist. Let's exist sync path. Okay, what is, yeah, show me the command. Oh, the data, yeah. Gotta get the file names right, obviously. False. So what is cd data? Oh, let's try that. Let's try squiggly. Squiggly like that. Yeah. Why? Secure connect. Secure connect. Let's do this then. Let's just do app.js. Okay. That should be returning something that's true, and that's a no-go. That sucks. Oh, this is so painful. So if the that should freaking work. Just do that. What's that do? Yeah, okay. It's nice to be. Did I get Data 1 downloaded? Oh god. Yeah, don't need that. Okay, there we go. False. So what would... that exists? Okay. Yeah, that's true. Let's do this. The data equals fs dot. What have we got here? Node.js fs. Oh, let's do that. Let's do, yeah, fs dot dir dot read. a read of undefined. Let's try this. Let's do this. So async function print path print. Data equals directory name. Oh yeah, the data from the database. Oh, it ain't gonna do it because of the fucking promises. Oh, let's do this. Open dir. fs open dir. I'm gonna find this damn thing. fs dot open dir. I'm gonna do path. Just make this nope. And data equals this. Why do you do this? Open dir, fs dir. Creates an fs dir, asynchronous open directory, see open dir 3. It's not a function. JavaScript. Asynchronously synchronously return data. Oh wait, return folder path. Yes, this. Exist sync. That's what I was doing, right? So let's do that. FS path do something. Oh, let's do this. Result was the data. True. Okay. Open this stuff back up in a minute. I don't want all this in there. True. Yes. So then, if that's true, actually let's trace this further. Let's do this. Dot data. False. Let's do data. True. Okay. So if file exists, exists, or path exists. Actually, let's do this. If, just call it exists. We will call it file exists. Do this stuff. The data equals the file exists. Oh, do I need to do var? Yep, probably. There we go. File exists. Thank you. So then, how do we get this? So, list folder contents of Node.js. Reader, pass in the path. Let's do this. All right. So this is going to be the data file exists. And we're going to say, well, let's do, what happens if you do that? Yeah, okay, sweet. The data plus equals items. Then here, item I, okay. Plus equals item I. Oh, whoops, items I. Oh yeah, that, whatever. Cool, let's see about this. The file exists. Or the folder exists. It's really this content usage is file name. So pass in that. So if I do this though, shit. Ah, shit. Okay. So about this. Boom! Oh, no. What happened? Well, what's the... Okay, that's some good progress though. And it shows that we are indeed working from the root folder on glitch. That's a pretty big deal. Two hours and 44 minutes. Quite the stream so far. All right. Was just talking to some crew, seeing what their 2 cents are on some things, because we want to make sure that this is secure when we get up there. And we are hacking new territory. Okay. When this demo is done, it's going to be simple to set up because all the questions are going to be answered. But up front, it's a little confusing exactly what to do if you need a security bundle file. That's of course not the standard way with stuff, but you know, it's there. And we're getting there, slowly but steadily. Excuse my food. All right, so we have the secret data directory with the secure zip in there. And that code does find it. So let's try to do this then. Let's go. Oh, now I gotta do this again. Data Node.js driver. Yeah, it is. All right. This code is weird. Let's do that. What's it not like? Oh, yeah. We'll fix that. Let's go fix that. That doesn't have anything to do with anything. I don't know why we have use strict in there. Maybe it does, though. Well, whatever. Yeah. All right. So that. Where are we at? Okay. Run. Theoretically, this should work for path. Oops. Oh shit, now I gotta... Let's do this, let's do username equals password equals secret made with, whatever. The username, the password, right? Okay, I wanna do that. And then I just want to print that out. I want to see what they look like. So let's do, assuming that that stuff won't cause a compiler error. O'Brien the zombie, welcome to the pit. How are you? Just writing some stuff, try to figure out how to do it securely. Oh, that's good. I like that the command / comment thing comments all the stuff out in one fell swoop. That's always extremely handy. So let's see, we have proof that the thing exists, and then we want to say, what do we want to say? We want to say, oh yeah, I want to test environment dot, oh, how do we glitch access in variables. Right, okay, so you do that, and then, yeah, blah, 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 you put those in there. And then, oh, you just do it the same way you actually do an environment. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. So this theoretically should be the data equals oh, okay. Why is that there? Why did I put that there? Yeah, it's up there. Okay, anyway. Of course, no error thrown because JavaScript's freaking weird. The data is equal process.m.password. Okay. Okay, that works as expected. And then if we put in a PR, I just want to make sure one more time with all these latest bits. Share. Let's do tools. Import, export to GitHub. Updated with glitch. Glitch updates. What do? We have file exists test to verify where within a directory. Oh, what time is it? It is 1:14. Oh, shoot. Didn't blow my calendar time, did I? Gotta check something real quick. Just checking. Be right back in a jiffy. Please. Okay, 2 p.m. Whew. 2 p.m. I gotta do the thing, so I have to bail in just a minute, but almost got this working. Strange. No good. But we'll see. Let's see here. Oh yeah, I gotta update the thing so that it doesn't say weird node problems. So username and password I got path. Actually, let's do this. Oh, he called David to go do it. Okay. Back to it. So this could be declared here, I think. Do like this. And let's just put in here process.env.username and then process.env.password. Okay. I'm gonna keep putting out the data for now. The data. And then the data, the data plus equals client. Boom. What is that gonna do? Let's see here. Bam. Bloosh. Object. That is what I would assume. So that's good. There's no like weird errors on it. That's a huge thing. So let's do for this connect database, client require blah blah blah. Do all this. So then client connect. Let's see if I can do that. What's that do? Ah, promise. This is good. Oh, let's try this. Oh, actually, we'll do all 3 of these in there. Let's see what we get. Okay, so then the data plus equals. This is how all JavaScript ends up, right? This stuff. This is what I want. Whoops. Right? Yep. Okay. Boom. So then maybe I put that in here. Yeah, I don't know if that's gonna. Else send. Damn it. Okay, here we go. Uh-oh, error. What's the error? Get out of the way. Oh yeah, of course you can't do that. So Oh, maybe just do this. Just give me the results. Don't await it. Just do it. Am I about to get excited? It means not a function. Well, okay, let's do this then. Oh, is this a... Let's try that, just for fun. Get data. Let's do this. Let's we can at least verify, I guess. Well, technically store connect bundle, that kind of deal. Okay, what did Dave do? Here's something my buddy David Gilardi did. Hey, Robert Tables! Indeed, happy Friday. Just trying to get Glitch to work with some secure bundle stuff. So, let's see here, packages, connect database. So this is the thing that we just looked at. Host length keys. Put your secrets in here. Oh, it's empty. Interesting. So what's in here and here? Oh my goodness, where is... Ah, okay. I'll show you, Robert, the crazy here on this thing. It's pretty trippy. So what I'm trying to do is get this glitch console thing to use a security bundle, which is just a zip file with a bunch of keys and other things that sets up an encryption pipe tunnel thing into the database. So I don't have like environment variables that I can use, you know, like if we just did username and password. There is a username and password that's included also, but what the deal is with this, which increases the security, of course, is there's a path to this security bundle to map out stuff. I feel like I'm eating this damn burrito, and I feel my tongue getting nasty. Bet you I'm allergic to some of this stupid shit. But anyway, so there's the path to the security bundle, which I finally figured out, and I can store it in the .data directory to keep it secret, right? Because Glitch doesn't allow that to be pushed up to the repos. And those are all stored up on their CDN. Oh yeah, so I don't like it. They was saying like in his example, they use the CDN. I don't want to use the CDN. I want to guarantee that this stuff is not being pushed out to a repo. wanted to be security. So they basically set it up the way I've set it up just now. So I'm going to look at that a little bit more later. But right now, and we're getting the promise back from this. So that appears to be working. And let's see, if I go over here, I got that 2 p.m. call, and it's almost 1:30. So I'm gonna just kind of use this as a wrap up. But anybody I should raid with all 3 of us users? Anybody's out there? Anybody's out there is in the world? Let's see. So everything, this should theoretically work. And I need to call it from here. Okay, so we've got quite a bit figured out. And what I did for that secret data file to get it up into Glitch is I actually had to use their console. And then in here, if you do like a list all, you can see their hidden directories and stuff. That's like just for Glitch, okay? So I'm using the .data directory, and if I go in there, there's my secure connect zip file. But if I go out and go to import export, say export, boom, and I'm just gonna call it updated from Glitch, the latest changes for wrap up of the stream at 1:30 p.m. Whoops, like that. All right. So that that works. And that gives us a secure connection bundle. I had to wget it into that directory though. Glitch is here, glitch.com. It's this thing, right? So here's the app. We're building the example app on this, but like if I did that PR, so I'm just going to close that for now. But if I log out, then we can actually see more about Glitch. Like the whole intro to this stream, I actually went into the history of this. And the reason I went into the history is because Glitch, the company, used to be called Fogstack, right? Or Fogbugs, whatever it was. And the founder of Glitch is the one who's written like Trello, right? And a bunch of other software. Used to be on the Excel team at Microsoft like 20 plus years ago or something. And is kind of a well-known person in the New York City, Brooklyn, startup and tech scene. So he's done a lot of work with people in that community. And started this to make like an easier place for people to do development and get web apps out there onto the web. And I've just been using it because I wanted a good place where you can go and just like boom, stuff happens, right? Oh, and check it out, there is Suze Hinton. So a bunch of people use Glitch for all sorts of things. There's like a billion, let's look at these projects real quick. It's a billion different projects you can use. Yeah, minimum wage, sneaky epic, a lot of good activist site stuff, you name it. This is kind of in the latest greatest hip space to do development with. So I was putting together a little demo to use DataStax Apollo, the database as a solution database that we have at DataStax. Yeah, it's pretty sweet. I was just thinking you should put the vixens. Oh wow, the cards are green. Some of the green cards are green, so they're like do. Yeah, but you should put that site up there, do like a version and do a port of it out there. That'd be pretty badass. Anyway, do they make Jira? They don't make Jira. They're not the Jira people. Yeah, do you have that out there in the world? Oh, you do? Yeah, that one. I knew I saw you building it. I don't know where you have it. Why is my screen doesn't resize right sometimes? I'm sure I'm doing something wrong though, actually. And there's Suze. That sketch is of her in that picture back there. This picture, where'd it go? This one. That's that picture sketched. on the card. Cool beans. Nifty. Yeah, so anyway, that's what Glitch is. It's kind of tied into that whole Brooklyn scene. Jen Schiffer, who maybe you follow on Twitter. If you don't, you should, because she's freaking awesome, super smart, super genius, also hilarious. But being a super genius, totally worthy person to follow on the Twitters. And she works at this company. She's even in this little video, which I'll play in the background where we're talking. And
Glitch is a friendly community where coders, artists, learners, and creators build the web together using the
such a nice
easiest
video.
tools ever.
It's so 80s. That's
I'm
the whole
Jen
thing they're
Schiffer,
going
the
for. It's like
director of
8-bit
the
art.
engineering here
She's
at
super in
Glitch.
8-bit art. Has it all over her Glitch
So
site.
you built an app
And
in response to her
all that kind of jazz.
Puerto Rico.
So
I built a
Artists.
good stuff. Good stuff. You should definitely check it out. I'm gonna have this demo put together before end of business today, but I have a 2 p.m. call and 2 p.m. PDT, of course. I gotta remember to put time zones in here. So I'm gonna bail, and if I should raid anybody, let me know. Who should I raid? Are you streaming too? Are you chatting at me while you're streaming? Let's look. Let's look at Twitch. Let's see who is streaming. Jitter Ted is streaming. Program is streaming. Atomic J.
So just one more.
This
See how
person is talking, and I don't care. Alt F4 stream. They're still hacking. Chainbrain. Chainbrain tips me out. Check out what this dude does. So he's playing a song via that game. What's that game called? I don't even remember anymore. So, oh, look at there. Yay. Yeah, something like that. It's one of the people I subscribe to. Where is the... Let's close Pretzel. Oh, he screwed up. I heard that. So he's cool, but I'm going to raid... Who should I raid? Yeah, let's do that. Nice. So, going to raid the Alt F4. So let's click on his. There we go. All right.
Exclamation mark, whoa, with uppercase,
So we hear him.
lowercase, whatever.
And
It's
then
still gonna work.
in my chat, I'm going to write
Go ahead
raid.
and give that a try.
See if this frickin' works this time.
Would
Oh, wait.
appreciate it. Again, just
Let's raid.
exclamation mark, whoa,
Alt.
in any variant of uppercase or lowercase.
Is he finishing? Oh, no, he's not finishing. Yeah, it should go good.
Cool.
It's a good meeting.
I believe that first one.
Why is it not? It
Didn't
doesn't look
get
like it's rating. It doesn't give me a countdown.
queried
Oh, there it is.
because,
There we are. All right. All three of us are
fact
ready, and we
that
are going for a
queue is
raid
restarting.
now. So everybody have a great
Wait a
one,
second,
and I will
queue is
catch you
restarting. But you
next
gotta
time.
spell it right.
So cheerio. Raid, raid,
You
raid.
gotta spell it right. Ugh. No, I troll. Adron Hall.